This next file is going to be the image file rename. So we'll go ahead, click on it, and right here you're going to see the folder path. So we'll go find our folder that needs to be renamed. And this is to rename it with the zero sequential order so it's nice and uniform. So when we look in here, we see these files are named Voetis like this, but we really want it to be have the zeros in front and just the numbers so it's uniform across the transcription, translation, recompile. So we'll copy that directory. And this one again will work right in your PyCharm. And then we hit run. And now they're all renamed with the zero sequence.